everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I have a very exciting unboxing. He's a big boy.
So until then, just wait.
So I apologize for the different scenery. I'm not in my bedroom at the moment because my husband's still asleep. But honestly, I kind of like the background. Like, you know, I like the, what do we think? Do you like this scenery more or do you like the bedroom scenery? Let me know because I'm down for either. And if this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, my name is Kenzie. I'm so happy to have you. I do a lot of videos on luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel when we can, but mostly luxury handbags and luxury items in general. So if that sounds interesting to you, if you like the vibe, if you like me, then I would ask that you consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding the little bell down there so that you're notified every time I upload. And yeah, let's get into the video. And I do apologize if I'm like not talking very loudly. Again, my husband's asleep in the other room, so I didn't want to be too loud. And I do apologize for my hair. Probably everyone, you know, watching this is like, Kenzie, we don't care about the hair. Which, you know, thank you. So I've got this box here from DHL, as you can see, and I got something from Luxury Promise. I am so excited because if you saw from one of my latest videos, I got this bag right here from Luxury Promise. If you haven't seen that, I'll link it right up here or up here. I forget where the little annotation is, but I found something else. It's not a bag, but something that I'm very excited about. I'm gonna have to figure out how to actually cut this because I'm not sitting down anywhere and I don't have anywhere to prop this up. Okay, I got it open. Oh my god. Oh my god, I got a dust bag. It didn't come in the box, but I did get a dust bag, which is very exciting for me. Here's the dust bag, you guys, and as you can see, it is from Hermes. I didn't get this directly from Hermes, as you obviously know, but it is from Hermes, and I am so excited. I have wanted this Hermes item for such a long time, and I wanted it in a specific color. It was one of two. I either wanted it in like the blue and white, or this color that I found it in, and they had it on their website. They did like a live show and everything. Oh, it's already so soft, I can feel it. And I loved this color. It was so nice. But I think I might put this in the bedroom. But let me know in the comments if, like, take a guess as to what you think it is. Let me know. You're probably gonna be correct. But yeah, just take a second. Without any further ado, I'm so glad I got a dust bag. Oh, she's beautiful, look. So yes, I did get the pillow. This is the Hermes Avalon pillow. It's in the color chamomile and it is the small one. I looked at like the small and medium size, like just in general with Hermes, and I thought the small size was really, really nice. Maybe in the future I'll get a medium one if I feel like it, but oh, look. This is just so stunning. As you can see, it is like this beautiful beige color, and it has like, is this gray? I'm not sure if this is gray or if this is like maybe a darker beige, but then it has the H's on all four corners. I'm so excited. I didn't realize that they had two of these when I ordered it. I ordered one because I assumed they only had one, but then like a dumbass, I watched the live show after I ordered it and they were like, oh yeah, we have two. And I was like, well, it's okay. I'm not gonna get the other one right now because I have this one and I know exactly where I want to put it. And oh god, I'm so excited. And the only thing I need to get now is the matching blanket. But I don't know if that's gonna be possible because apparently this color is very hard to find in the Avalon print. And I was able to get this. Maybe one day they'll have an Avalon blanket in this same color and then I can pick that up. But I don't know, I just think this is so freaking cute. And I know this video is gonna be pretty short just because I'm just unboxing it and showing it to you. But yeah, I might do some like B-roll shots or something and just kind of call it a day. But this is so cute. So I will say the dimensions on this is, well, I saw it in centimeters because they're a UK based brand, so it's 50 centimeters by 50 centimeters, and which I believe is, how many inches is that? Hold on, 20 inches by 20 inches. So it is a pretty good sized pillow, honestly. I think the medium is definitely bigger than this, but I'm not 100% sure on the whole dimensions. But this is so nice, and I'm gonna compare it to the pillows that I have in the living room. So as you can see, this one is a tiny bit bigger than this. I don't actually know how big this was, I don't remember, but this is like a perfect square. This is too, but it is a little smaller, just for size comparison. But this right here, I do believe is made out of like 90% wool and 10% something else. So let me check the website. Oh, I think somebody else bought the other one. Oh, good for them, whoever got the other one. Because I'm looking for Avalon on Luxury Promise and I only see one thing and it's not the pillow. So whoever got the other pillow, congratulations. Oh yeah, 90% wool, 10% cashmere. So very soft. I didn't know what to expect when it came to this. Genuinely, does anyone that has a Hermes pillow, does anyone ever actually use it? Like, do you use it to like rest on or sleep on or anything? I feel no one actually does that because these are expensive pillows. And like, if you're wearing makeup, even I'm not wearing foundation at the moment, but I have like mascara and lipstick, I would be absolutely destroyed on the inside if I got this dirty in any way. That's why it's not going to be near the dogs or anything. It's going to be like on the bed. I assume most people just use it for decoration. I don't know. Anyways, that's pretty much it for the unboxing, you guys. I think I will insert some B-roll shots right now for you to look at so you can see what the pillow looks like in all of its glory. Oh my god, weren't those B-roll shots so nice and lovely and beautiful? Yes. Anyways, you guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry if it was really short, but I hope that you enjoyed it nonetheless. I hope that you like the pillow. I don't know. Anyways, if you did enjoy the video, please go ahead and give it a like and subscribe if you want to, and ding the little bell down there so that you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!